already looked at it and not impressed.
Mom, stay out, let me do my hair, taking off my sweats, getting cute, I swear I'm cute.
But I wrote the company on Instagram. I said, y'all sure y'all want me to do a video about this wig? And they said, you can install it and see how it turns out. So this is the Lollyhair company. Now I believe they're a new company. They might be on Amazon. But I'm trying to get into my hair content creation bag, so I reached out to them to do a review. I never had a 613 wig before. So, like I said, this is a 613, 13. So 13 by 4 by 1. It's not the type of hair that I would normally buy, but I said, let me try something new. Let me get a close-up of the lace. So this is the inside of the cap, and if y'all can see the lace, it is really hard. That's how it looks on my skin, and it feels really, I don't know, it feels like really thick and really like it would be itchy. So that's the inside. It does come with 3 combs, or actually 4 combs. There's one in the back and the adjustable straps. Again, I'm not a big fan of the lace right now, and it's supposed to be pre-plucked. Y'all can see. There we go. It's hard for me to see in this camera. It's the hairline's supposed to be pre-plucked. It's not really looking like that. But as you can see, the hair is pretty thin. It's pretty thin and shedding. Now, like I said, I just unboxed this wig. There's no smell. The part looks alright. Y'all can see the part looks okay. So I'm gonna try it on, see how it looks on.
Your head might be a little too big.
My head's always too big.
It's crazy.
I'm a big head girl, so.
Tell me about it.
So all of my wigs, I need to get a large cap, but I usually don't be feeling waiting to do the customization. So I just try to work with the medium caps. Oh God. So the lace, I feel like if I had on a wig cap, it would look alright. With the lace at least. I probably could make it work with the size. I just have to put this thing way down on my forehead. But I just want y'all to see how thin it is. What is this? So this is how thin it is. I guess if you like your wigs like that, but I don't. I would like it a lot fuller than that.
A lot more full?
Jonathan, shut up. Like this is, I think I ordered a 24 inch. I don't know if that really looks like 24 inches to me, but don't mind my husband back there.
I didn't see.
You just, my boobs are coming out. You're just in the off camera. Because I had to zoom it out so they could see how long it is. This is supposed to be 24 inches. I don't know if that's 24 inches. I'll have to measure. But I just can't get over how thin it is. So like I said, the lace only goes to right here because it's a 13 by 1. I look like Karen from The Real Housewives. But this is the wig. Getting just a little bit of a little bit of shedding, just running my fingers through. And so that's basically it. I'm gonna have to customize this wig. I probably will end up cutting it because I just, the ends are just so scraggly looking. But it does, up here it's way thicker, so maybe cutting it would help. But I'm gonna play with it and see what I can do with this. This again is way outside my norm. Well, I have never bought a 613 wig, but I said if I'm gonna come and do this hair review stuff, I'm gonna do stuff I ain't never tried before. So this is it. Y'all let me know what you think. I'll be back with another update. I'm gonna bleach the knots and just customize it a little and see if I can make it look like something. That's it. I'm gonna go now. Bye.